All right, let's get it. I'm gonna do my first car wash in my garage. The test beauty for today is gonna be my beautiful motorsport that I haven't washed in weeks. So I'm gonna try it out. So I have my hose right there. I'm gonna try this out here. I'm gonna plant the camera so I can show you guys what I'm doing. Now please, I'm not an expert, it's my first time. If you see I'm doing something wrong, don't criticize. Just give me advice, get loud.
Sé lo que quieren, verme abajo, pero no pueden, Nunca confunde el amor, la plata y las mujeres, vicio los fajos, y los placeres, Por eso estoy bien acá como Ash, para los airbags. Es que pa' ti no hay, si no eres de aquí no te quieren nada. Pero cuando entono los Tony Dash, me luces bien lunar. No te quedan a ti, son wannabe, lo quería decir muy real G. Vamos creciendo, todos quieren lo que vendo. Tú eres un juego y te lo gano Nintendo. Sube de rango y tú besando el asfalto. Es que lloras tanto que te hundí en el fango. Ya no va, si no di, no se da, ey. Y tú besando el asfalto. Ya no va, si no di, no se da, ey. Alaska como Ash, para los airbags. Es que pa' ti no hay, si no eres de aquí no te quieren nada. Pero cuando entono a los Tony Dash, me luces bien lunar. Quedan a ti, son wannabe, lo quería decir muy real. Alaska como Ash, para los airbags. Es que pa' ti no hay, si no eres de aquí no te quieren nada. Pero cuando entono a los Tony Dash, me luces bien lunar. No te quedan a ti, son wannabe, lo quería decir muy real. Yo soy hardcore, yo le llego. Y tu mierda alimenta mi ego. De la calle, como tego. Paso firme, paso ciego, You already know what I mean.
You would think that me being a videographer and doing YouTube for a while now, I do a proper before and after, right? But no, I was so into it and I was so all over the place. I mean, I did a couple of mistakes. First, the sun wasn't out. As soon as I start, the freaking sun comes out. Seriously. And I'm sweating bullets now, as you can see. But I really enjoyed it. Here it is. That's the bucket. She looks pretty clean, actually. I'm surprised she looked clean. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. This thing really does leave no streaks. That thing is clean. This is clean. Here she is, nice and clean. She hasn't been this clean for a very long time. I don't know if you guys can see it with the sun. So the product I use to get this car how it is of course first the snow foam watermelon, and then the sticky citrus for the wheel, then the streak free for the window, And then for the trim, I use a combination of Hypercoat. And then because I had a lot left, I use trim serum on top. But these are the products I use to get my car just like this. So all of these products will be linked in the description. So if you're looking to help out the channel one way or another, you can order these products and my channel will get a little kickback, and everything that I get from those sales will be reinvested back in the channel. So until next time, guys, God bless. Stay prayed up. Peace.
But wait, there is more.
Now, I wanted to have you guys undivided attention because I'm gonna give you guys, well, I'm gonna show you guys something that it was supposed to not be here, but it is here, and I'm gonna tell you why real quick. Ta-da! The Chemical Guys giveaway bundles here. Now, why is it here? Now, the reason that it's here is because my brother did a live showing and results of the giveaway. You can actually see the video. We'll link it down in the description. The winner is actually my cousin, in which he's also a active subscriber to both channels. So he just got in it to see if he wins, right? There's no harm in that. And he actually, the machine, the website actually picked him, Jay Flores, to win this kit. Now, I immediately messaged him and I told him, hey, you have a week to pick it up because I'm moving to PA. And days went by and he didn't pick it up. And then I think a day before he called me and he says, just keep it as a housewarming present. I was dead serious when I said I really wanted this kit. I really like the kit. And if you're moving and somebody gives you a housewarming present, you accept it. And that's what I did. So then I was thinking, man, it might be kind of funny if I did a giveaway and then I end up with it. But my brother did do a live video of the result. So it wasn't like no scam or nothing. And I am going to accept this housewarming present because that thing is awesome. I mean, look at this kit. Complete. Everything. Wheels, trims, the foam gun, the applicator pads, the mitt. I mean, come on. Anyway, that is why this is here. And I'm going to use it fully. Woo, God is good.